Did you know that the Samsung A56 has a battery that can last up to 2 days on a single charge? That's pretty impressive for a mid-range phone. The Samsung A56 has been making waves in the smartphone market, and for good reason. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it's no wonder people are curious about what it has to offer. This phone is part of Samsung's popular A series, which has been a favorite among consumers for years. So, what makes the A56 stand out from the rest? Samsung is a leading technology manufacturer that's been around for decades. Their A series has been a staple in the mid-range market, offering great value for money. Over the years, we've seen significant changes in the A series, from improved cameras to faster processors. The A56 is the latest addition to this lineup, and it's got some exciting features that set it apart. One of the most notable things about the A series is how it's evolved to compete with other mid-range phones. The A56 is no exception, with its powerful processor, high-quality cameras, and sleek design. It's clear that Samsung has been listening to consumer feedback and making changes to meet their needs. The Samsung A56 boasts some impressive specs, including a high-quality camera system with a 64MP main sensor, 12MP front camera, and support for 4K video recording. Its battery life is also noteworthy, with a 4,500 mAh battery that can last up to 2 days on a single charge. The display is a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 1080p resolution, making it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. In terms of performance, the A56 is powered by an octa-core processor with up to 8GB of RAM, making it suitable for demanding tasks like gaming. The A56 also features a large storage capacity, with options for up to 128GB of internal storage. It runs on Android 11 out of the box, with Samsung's One UI 3.1 skin on top. Another key feature is its support for 5G connectivity, making it future-proof. The phone also has a USB-C port, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless connectivity. In real-life usage, the A56's performance is smooth and responsive. The camera system is capable of capturing stunning photos and videos, with features like optical zoom and portrait mode. The display is bright and vibrant, making it perfect for outdoor use. The battery life is also reliable, with the phone easily lasting a day and a half on a single charge. However, like any phone, the A56 isn't perfect. Some users might find the software to be a bit bloated, with too many pre-installed apps. Others might find the build quality to be a bit lacking, with a plastic back that's not as premium as some other phones. Despite these drawbacks, the A56 remains a solid choice for anyone looking for a mid-range phone. Its strengths include its impressive camera system, long battery life, and smooth performance. But how does it compare to other phones on the market? That's what we'll explore next. The Samsung A56 competes with other mid-range phones like the Google Pixel 4a, the OnePlus Nord, and the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro. All of these phones offer great value for money, but they have some key differences. The Pixel 4a, for example, has a better camera system, but a smaller display. The OnePlus Nord has faster charging, but a lower quality camera system. The Redmi Note 10 Pro has a larger display, but a lower quality processor. Personally, I've had the chance to use the A56 for a while now, and I've been impressed with its performance. The camera system is one of my favorite features, as it's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos. I've also been impressed with the battery life, which has easily lasted a day and a half on a single charge. The display is also bright and vibrant, making it perfect for watching videos or browsing the web. However, I've also noticed some drawbacks, like the software being a bit bloated. But overall, I think the A56 is a solid choice for anyone looking for a mid-range phone. In my opinion, the Samsung A56 is a great option for anyone looking for a reliable mid-range phone. It offers great value for money, with an impressive camera system, long battery life, and smooth performance. I give it a solid 4 out of 5 stars, and I think it's suitable for anyone who wants a phone that can handle everyday tasks with ease. If you're in the market for a new phone, I think the A56 is definitely worth considering. If you like this video, be sure to check out our other content on smartphone reviews and tech news. We have a video on the best budget phones of the year that you might find interesting. Don't forget to share your thoughts on the Samsung A56 in the comments below. Have you had a chance to try it out, or are you considering buying it? Your feedback is invaluable to us, and we can't wait to hear what you have to say. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video. Also, if you want to stay up to date on the latest tech news and reviews, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We'll see you in the next one.